Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a landing page in ConvertKit in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. First things first. If you don't have a ConvertKit account, go ahead and sign up. If you already have one, just log in. Once you're in, hover over the Grow tab on the top menu. From the drop down, click on Landing Pages and Forms. Now click the Create New button and choose Landing Page. If you're not sure what to do, ConvertKit also offers a quick demo video right there. You'll now see a variety of beautiful design templates. Take a moment to scroll through and pick one that fits your style. You can preview any template before choosing, just to be sure. For this demo, I'm picking the Broadway template. I'll preview it. Looks good, so I'll go ahead and hit choose in the top right corner. Now comes the fun part, customization. On the right side, you can edit the headline, the button text, and even the background color. Want to add your own image, you can do that. Need a different button color? Easy. You can even tweak the transparency and insert custom CSS if you are into that kind of detail. Once everything looks the way you want, don't forget to click save. After saving, click publish and boom. Your landing page is live. You'll get a custom URL that you can copy and start sharing immediately. And just like that, you have created a landing page with ConvertKit in less than 5 minutes. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips like this one. Thanks for watching.